Hi, I'm Maureen from A Premier Travel. I'm here at the Sandals Grenada Resort in the Caribbean to give you a room tour. This is their WJS room, which is their South Seas Poolside Hideaway, Honeymoon, Walkout, Junior Suite, Tranquility soaking tub. So with Sandals Resorts, it's an all-inclusive couples in love. We have a nice little chair, oversized chair here, along with our flat screen TV. We have a coffee maker and teapot if you want to have a little bit in the morning. We also have the amenities here for all your coffee and tea blends. You have complimentary bottled wine, red wine, white wine, which is also in the mini refrigerator, along with your Carib beer, bottled water, and soft drinks. There's an ice bucket here also. All the rooms will have a king-size bed. We have a nice ceiling fan. It feels very cool in here. A nice welcome letter and a basket of complimentary spices, since Grenada is known as the Spice Island. And then we walk over here in the room. We have this lovely sunken tub. This tub will fill up in about 5 minutes and retain the temperature of the water. And it's large enough for 2 people. All rooms will have a hair dryer for your use on the bottom shelf here. We have our makeup mirror and our backlit mirror and our Red Lane Spa amenities, which is your shampoo, your conditioner, moisturizer, and body wash. We have a private room here for the toilet area with a pocket door, and there's plenty of shelf space in here. And this nice concept we have a walk-through shower here. So it's a nice large shower. You have your rainforest shower head here and a frosted glass here for privacy. And then we walk all the way through the shower. There's this big walk-in closet here. The walk-in closet has a safe large enough for a laptop, a pillow menu, plenty of hangers, and in the corner there are 2 robes for complimentary use and slippers as well. And this is a nice sized room. It's very airy. It is in the South Seas Village section of the property. It's very private, a lot of tropical flowers and garden things, but here we will walk right out onto a patio. The key, this is our door, our main door and our only door, and the key works to get in and out this way, which makes it very convenient. You're not going through a hallway or going up and down steps. And we walk out on the patio, we're going to have a sunken tranquility tub, a second tub, so you don't have 1 but 2 tubs in this room type. And we have a table and chairs for 2, as well as a nice lounge chair. You have these nice thick curtains that you can untie and close, 1 on each side to give you privacy. There's one also here. And here's your tub. There's also a rack there to dry your bathing suits when you come back from the pool or the beach. You can sit here, have a little table and chairs, enjoy a cocktail, late afternoon along those lines. And this is the convenience of getting in and out with your key. This is a lovely room, all natural light coloring, natural lighting. So when you're ready to stay at this wonderful property of Sandals Grenada or any of the Sandals and Beaches resorts, please call the experts at A Premier Travel. Thank you.